Welcome to Afka Art Studio. We are going to draw a horse in the Levade. So this is what we're going to draw. Usually I just draw from the imagination, but this time we are using a reference photo. This is Favory Brezia. Let's get started. So we're going to pay extra attention to the balance that the horse has and the angles that the body makes. If you look at the back is almost completely horizontal. And you can see the comparison. So you can see that we put a stripe for the ground where the horse is standing on. The weight has to rest on the hooves. So we draw another line going down through where the middle of the weight of the horse is. And that should end where the hooves carry the whole horse. And then we draw the stick figure skeleton. And from the pelvis we bring the knee all the way forward and the rest of the leg all the way forward. And then we put the neck in and the head and the shoulder blade and the bones for the forelegs. And it's very important that you have the head up. The more the horse collects, the more the horse will have to lift its head up. And before we go to the black marker, a short message.
Do you like this video? Give us a like.
Okay, let's fill in with the black marker, making it look a bit nice. Couple of lines and then a broader line where you want it to show that there's a little bit more shade. And then we add a little bit of grey marker for a bit more shade and we're done. So if you draw along and you get lost, there's chapters, right? You can hover over the bar and find a chapter where I explain something. And in this video, I explain the system I use for how to build up a horse. And that also makes it possible to build up a horse from the imagination without any problems. Know that you are awesome, you are valued, and you are capable of making great art. Bye.